Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your WeChat account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WeChat application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and login code in order to log in. Now you will be taken into the chats page, from which if you wish to add a new contact, simply tap on the contact option at the bottom left corner. You will now see the new friends option. You can tap on this and then you can tap on add contacts at the top right corner. You will now see various different options of adding your contacts. You can choose whichever one of these you wish to use to add your contact. And if you wish to add someone from your phone contacts, simply tap on mobile contact. This will now show you all of your phone contacts that are on WeChat. Simply tap on the add button at the right side and this will add the contact that you just selected right away. You can then proceed with sending a friend request, and when this person accepts your request, they will become friends with you right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new friend on WeChat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.